Good morning. I will be presenting a Must Manage Urban Spaces Together project, which is done in LIST. So since urban planning is growing continuously, it's very important to build better than before and to provide a high level of well-being and satisfaction for the citizen. Since in 2050, the population on Earth will reach 10 billion, with 90% living in urban spaces. So there is a need to face societal and environmental challenges related to the lack of digitalization and lack of user experience in urban planning current process. Since urban planning current process, it was identified that urban planning software are not commonly used, and there is not always being the urban planning is not always being based on related data, and additional modification are producing also additional cost. Also, the emergence of involvement of the citizen in current practices are mainly limited to verbal participation, which creates in many situations a design failure. That's why we are proposing Must managing urban spaces together. So what is Must? Must is a system for participative and collaborative urban design by data. It's a digital platform based on 3D environment, which allow the iteration of alternative design solutions based on different set of data and provides a real-time simulation of the performance indicators for each proposed iteration. Must is also a communication and participation system that enable the participation of the end user in the urban design process. So Must frameworks cover the urban design process with three main interactions that we are going to show now. So the first interaction helps in capturing and collecting the needed data as well as the end user requirements and objectives, such as mobility, visual comfort, well-being, and other indicators, and classify them according to their importance. The second interaction proposes a smart system to compute the data that have been collected before and to integrate it in a system that will help in exploring the potential of the site. So the third interaction is more under construction for now, and it's proposing a participatory 3D urban modeling with a real-time performance simulation. However, this interaction, there is a reflection to check different ways of for integration of this interaction with existing systems in the market. So therefore, Must now is focusing on the two main interaction. So now I'll be showing a video for these two main interaction. So this application helps in capturing, as I said, the user requirements using tangible devices and tangible objects, where we can define the needed values for each indicator. And also we can define the importance of each indicator. We can define the proximity of each function between each other. So we are collecting all the needed information and all the needed data from the citizen and from the user. After collection of this information, we'll proceed to the second interaction, which proposing a system for exploration of the site and the potential of the site. So we proceed to the visualization and understanding of the business side. So provide a set of simulation, and here we can understand the simulation of the site, and we can explore the site and understand why we are taking this decision at the site, and the fulfillment of each function in the site. And after that, we proceed to the first organigram or urban organigram, where we are using tangible object, where we can define the area for each function to propose this organigram of the site. And we can define also what is needed as area. And after that, we will have also a real-time simulation of the proposing solution with a real-time simulation of some indicators. So our project will last for 2 years to deliver the proof of concept, since it was funded by the FNR under the project Pathfinder Proof of Concept book. We are looking for feedback and collaborations, and we ultimately want to transfer it to the market. And thank you for your attention.